Hey guys, so we're gonna jump straight into this video. I will put a list of the ingredients that I used on the screen so you guys can look into them. But of course, you can always try to use other things. Just use whatever you have. I'm just using all-purpose flour. And yeah, I'm just adding that. I made about 16 pancakes with this amount of flour. And yeah, I love cinnamon, as you guys know, so I always add cinnamon to almost everything including my pancakes. And yeah, I just added some of that to the mixture, and now I am going to add some sugar, some brown sugar. Now of course this is something that you can adjust to your liking. You can use less sugar if you want. If you want, you can use more sugar. It all depends on what you want. And yeah, you also don't have to use brown sugar, but that's what that's what I've been using lately, so that's why I added that to the mixture. And I'm just mixing the dry ingredients together. Now I'm also adding some baking powder to the mixture, and this will help the batter stay together together with the eggs that I'm also going to be adding later on. So I'm just mixing all the dry ingredients together, just making sure that everything is well combined. Now the ingredient that I use that really makes my pancakes amazing is the almond flavored milk. Like it's so good. It really gives the pancakes extra flavor, except for the cinnamon that we're also using. So in the middle of the dry ingredients, I added 2 big eggs. Like these eggs are really big. So yeah, I added that to the little well that I made in the center. And then I'm also adding my almond flavored milk. And you guys, like if you want your pancakes to be bomb, try using almond flavored milk or just regular almond milk. It really makes the taste of the pancakes bomb. And yeah, here I'm just adding all of my milk, just mixing everything together. If you want, you can use a mixer, but it's not really necessary unless you're trying to make your pancakes really fast. So yeah, I just mixed all of those things together. And then I almost forgot to add a little bit of salt. It really makes a difference. Gives a nice taste to the pancakes as well. So yeah, this is what my batter looks like. Nice and thick, not too runny, just the way it should be. To a pan, I also added some coconut oil, and that's what I'm going to be making my pancakes with. If you want, you can use butter or some regular cooking oil, but I like to go for a more healthier option, and that's why I use the coconut oil. And once my pancake starts to form bubbles, that's when I know that it's time to flip it around. Now you guys, I was trying to film and make these pancakes all at once, so the first one was a bit of a flop, but yeah, this is my second one, and as you can see, it already started forming some bubbles. That's when you know exactly that it is time to flip the pancake. And yeah, look at how beautiful it is. So good. And yeah, this is the end result of all of my pancakes. So soft, so good, just so good. And you don't have to keep adding butter or oil to make them. You can just do it once and it's good to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.